COVID-19 pandemic continues to wreak havoc across the globe. The second wave of COVID-19 has affected India at large with lakhs of cases daily and also rise in mortality rate rapidly. Medical facilities are overwhelmed with this gruesome situation across the country. Accurate assessment of the extent of the virus is only possible with widespread testing. Sample collection using oral and nasal swab causes discomfort to patients. It also requires trained healthcare professionals for collection of samples. CSIR NIRI has come up with a path-breaking innovation of new technique called saline gargle RT-PCR.
We basically got the cue for developing this kind of methodology from the already existing medical recommendations. Medical recommendations say that to manage any upper respiratory tract infection or during common cold or any kind of sore throat, gargling is already recommended. A salt water gargling is recommended, which is considered to be very effective for curing the disease and also managing the disease. So we thought, why not we basically look into that aspect and try to use that towards the RT-PCR detection. Although for saying it is simple, but it took long time for us to actually standardize the method so that it can actually work for us.
The saline gargle testing kit contains 10 ml of vial containing 5 ml of sterile phosphate buffer saline along with collection funnel and disinfecting wipe.
What you have to do is that you have to open the tube, take the saline in your mouth, gargle for 15 seconds, followed by rinsing the mouth for 15 seconds and then dispensing this the mouth contents back into the tube using this adapter. This itself is good enough to give you a good quantity of virus for RNA based detection. Another very important feature of saline gargle RT-PCR is that we have come up with a special buffer. When you mix this buffer with the sample which is coming to the lab and you incubate it for 30 minutes at room temperature followed by heating at 98 degree for 6 minutes, you get a reasonably good RNA for doing the RT-PCR.
The samples are received, checked, labeled and tagged with testing lab ID. Samples are mixed with special buffer solution and the plate is properly sealed, followed by vortexing for 15 seconds. The PCR plate is quick spin at 1500 RPM to bring down the droplets. Samples are incubated for 30 minutes at room temperature and heated at 98 degrees centigrade for 6 minutes. Master mix is prepared in the clean room. RNA template is added to the corresponding master mix RT-PCR plate. In real-time PCR, it is seen as amplification corresponding to its fluorescence.
So when we compared the results, we found that it was almost at par with the existing gold standard. And we got 100% concordance. So we can process the sample in a very short time.
NIRI has developed this new technique. Good part of this technique is completely non-invasive. So many times we struggle when the case loads increases, struggle to find a skilled manpower to put in place. And this technique will be a big relief for everyone.
जैसा पेशेंट के लिए या पब्लिक के लिए है वैसी हमारे हेल्थ वर्कर्स के लिए भी ये बेनिफिशियल हो जा रहा है। जो एग्जॉस्ट होते हैं, जो 2 से 3 घंटा जो पीपी किट्स पहन के जो स्वैब लेना पड़ता है, तो वो जो प्रोसीजर है, ये प्रोसीजर इजीली रहेंगी और ये बहुत अच्छा इनोवेटिव है जो नीरी ने डेवलप किया हुआ है।
This technique will simplify the process to boost the testing rate significantly. It has also gotten approval from DCGI and Indian Council of Medical Research.
Such kind of non-invasive approach is actually very user-friendly also when we are doing the validation and when we experience this kind of feedback from patients. They were actually very comfortable giving this kind of samples.
With the use of saline gargle technique, nasal oral swabs and VTM are not required. Trained healthcare professionals for collection of samples are not needed. Non-invasive and patient-friendly sampling is possible. Waste generation during sample collection will be minimized. It's a time-saving technique. Long queues at collection centers can be reduced. Cost-effective method as RNA extraction kit is not required. Results will be available faster.
CSIR and CSIR NIRI, we are committed to serve the public, and this research and development has been done by our team only to give the benefit of this simplification of the method to the public.
As per the medical experts, the third wave of COVID-19 is inevitable in the country. This new innovation of CSIR NEERI will be a game changer in improving the testing rate, which is key to saving millions of lives.